Welcome to Lace USA. Embroidered applique is a beautiful and elegant way to add detail and interest to lace fabric dresses and bridal gowns. This technique involves attaching a separate piece of fabric, often with intricate embroidery or beading, to the main fabric of the dress. The resulting look is both sophisticated and unique, making it a popular choice for formal wear and couture fashion. Before starting to implement embroidered applique on a lace fabric dress or bridal gown, it is important to choose the right fabric. Lace fabric is a popular choice for this technique because it is delicate and feminine, and can be easily paired with a variety of different fabrics and embellishments. When selecting the fabric for the applique, consider the overall style and theme of the dress, as well as the color and weight of the lace fabric. The next step is to choose the design of the embroidered applique. This can be anything from simple floral patterns to more elaborate and detailed designs. It is important to choose a design that complements the overall style of the dress and fits well with the lace fabric. It's best to consult with an expert in the field of bridal fashion couture fabric to get the best design. Once the fabrics and design have been selected, it is time to begin attaching the applique to the dress. This can be done using a variety of methods, including hand stitching, machine stitching, or using a special fabric glue. The method you choose will depend on the type of fabric, the design of the applique, and your own skill level. Hand stitching is often considered the most traditional method for attaching applique to lace fabric. This method involves using a needle and thread to carefully attach the applique to the dress by hand. This method can be time-consuming, but it is also very precise and produces a beautiful and professional-looking result.
From high-end wedding gowns to daringly stylish cocktail dresses, the appeal of lace cannot be overstated. Lace USA offers lace fabric options in a wide variety of colors, weights, ornamental patterns, and other specifications to meet the aesthetic needs of any designer or tailor. Moreover, the company upholds the highest quality standards and sources its fabrics from the most reputable manufacturers in the industry. At Lace USA, customers can shop an extensive selection of lace fabrics. The company's product line features exquisite selections of French and Italian laces,